everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to discuss 5 crucial things you should avoid during the mortgage process. Whether you're a first-time home buyer or a seasoned homeowner, these tips will help you navigate the mortgage journey more smoothly. So let's jump right in. Number 1, changing jobs or reducing income. One big mistake to avoid is changing jobs or reducing your income during the mortgage process. Lenders assess your income stability, and any significant changes can raise concerns. Avoid switching jobs or accepting lower paying positions, as it can negatively impact your loan approval. Stick to your current job until your mortgage is finalized to maintain stability in your financial situation. Number 2, take on new debt. Another crucial mistake is taking on new debt before or during the mortgage process. This includes opening new credit cards, financing a car, or making large purchases on credit. Remember, lenders carefully evaluate your debt-to-income ratio, and new debts can affect your eligibility or alter the terms of your mortgage. So hold off on taking on new debt until after your mortgage is secured. Number 3, making large cash deposits. Avoid making significant cash deposits into your bank account during the mortgage process. Lenders require detailed documentation of your financial transactions, and large unexplained deposits can raise red flags. If you receive a cash gift or have a legitimate source for the deposit, consult with your lender to ensure you follow the proper procedures and provide the necessary documentation. Number 4, ignoring your credit score. Your credit score plays a vital role in the mortgage approval process, so ignoring it can be a costly mistake. Avoid making late payments, missing payments, or maxing out your credit cards during this time. Such actions can lower your credit score and affect your ability to secure a favorable interest rate. Stay on top of your credit report, pay your bills on time, and keep your credit utilization low. Number 5, neglecting communication with your lender. Lastly, failing to maintain open communication with your lender is a common mistake. Throughout the mortgage process, it's essential to promptly respond to any requests for documents or information from your lender. Be proactive in providing the necessary paperwork and promptly address any concerns or questions they may have. Staying in touch with your lender will help ensure a smoother and more efficient process. And there you have it, 5 crucial things to avoid during the mortgage process. Remember, changing jobs, taking on new debt, making large cash deposits, neglecting your credit score, and failing to communicate with your lender can all hinder your mortgage journey. By avoiding these mistakes, you'll increase your chances of securing a mortgage with favorable terms. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. As always, if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.